Yo, y'all hear that new song Higher by Eminem? No, fam, I ain't hear no song. You know that one line in the song? If I ain't hear no song, how am I supposed to know no line? Huh? How? Yeah, I'm gonna play it for you right now. I'm sorry. When you change clothes, boy? You all been wearing that bandana? What I did ain't nothing to sneeze at, even if your allergies are bad. That ain't playing it, that's saying it, man. Okay, fine. You want me to play it? I'll play it.
And what I did is nothing to sneeze at, even if your allergies are bad. I'm up in the...
This is what Eminem will do to you if he sees you trying to sneeze in front of him. Get your hand off of me. I said get your hand off of me. Don't test me, boy. Fine. I'll demonstrate it with my clone. Oh, yeah. Your what? Man, I thought I was your clone. Don't do it. I said don't do it. But I gotta sneeze. Okay, that's it. Got your nose. Ain't no way you're gonna be able to sneeze now. I warned you. I warned your ass. Now feel the wrath. Yeah, like. What you doing?
I got your nose.
Hey!
I got it.
The fuck? You tripping, Doc?
Lineback alien highs that you cannot find. I am the last of my kind, hidden from all of the world they are blind. I am the stealth of the